The Nikon D3500 is fun to use and simple to operate. Its 24.2 megapixel format allows you to capture high-quality images effortlessly. A light and balanced body lets you take it with you wherever you go. With continuous shooting of 5 frames per second, in combination with its 11-point focusing system, the D3500 captures moving images with ease. The Bluetooth connectivity lets you use your smart device as a remote trigger to capture the images, and then automatically transfers those images from the camera to your phone. The ISO range of up to 25,600 captures beautiful images throughout the day. Record 1080p high-definition video by activating the live view mode and pressing the record button. Capture your best moments with the Nikon D3500.
And this is the Nikon COOLPIX P900. It is Nikon's biggest super zoom and includes the world's most extensive zoom range with up to 83 times magnification. 83 times sounds like a lot because it is. It reaches from the usefully wide 24mm equivalent to the almost incomprehensible 2000mm equivalent. And thanks to impressively effective image stabilization, that range is genuinely usable. Keen photographers may be disappointed by the camera's inability to capture RAW files, but the P900 still has an awful lot going for it. It's got both an electronic viewfinder for shooting in bright light and a flip-out screen for shooting from high or low angles. Add to this full HD video capability and GPS to make managing your images easier, and you've got probably the most flexible all-in-one travel camera there's ever been. For more about the Nikon P900,
friends, events, and occasions, life is full of moments that move you. And when you want to capture beautiful images of those moments, it's time to step up to the Nikon D3100 Digital SLR. The lightweight, compact design of the D3100 is ready to go wherever life takes you. When life is really moving, the D3100 can capture every second in full 1080p HD video with full-time autofocus and sound. The included razor-sharp Nikkor 1855mm 3x zoom lens with built-in VR image stabilization and autofocus technology helps ensure vivid color, striking contrast, and amazing clarity. When you want to freeze the action, the D3100 split-second shutter response lets you capture moments that other cameras might miss. And the D3100 gives you the flexibility to choose from a wide range of interchangeable, high-quality Nikkor lenses to enhance your creativity and capabilities. But taking great pictures shouldn't be hard, so that's why the D3100 has easy-to-use scene modes that optimize the settings for a wide variety of situations, and an intuitive guide mode that assists you every step of the way. It all comes down to the incredibly detailed and emotionally moving pictures you can expect from your D3100 and its astounding 14-megapixel DX format image sensor. The Nikon D3100 Digital SLR, the perfect camera to take your...